Kia ora Manuka 7 and others who may be watching. This is just a short introductory video. I haven't yet got my little 360 cam out of my luggage, so these are just some quick videos and some photos coming through Hong Kong and Fuzhou Airport. So this was arrival in Hong Kong and then transferring to Fuzhou. These cool little travelators that make you walk twice as fast were quite helpful. I was flight to Fuzhou there. This was leaving down a short little tunnel, beautiful sort of sunset, and just about to take off here. Fuzhou Airport, and then in the DD taking me to a hotel before heading through onto the base. We went out and had some hot pot for dinner, so plenty of delicious meat and veg, spicy, quite hot on the lips and on the tongue, but very, very delicious. And then the following night, Coach Ma took us out for dinner, which had a range of seafood, beef, lamb and fish, and this was smoked eel here, which was very nice. And this is some photos of the drive into the training base with all their Olympic and world champions over the past sort of 20-30 years. This is the front of the base, and a quick little video showing what the entrance of the base looks like, and up to your right there is the actual training centre, which I'll show you through tomorrow, plus some lifting. This is the doctor and physio building. View out the window of the industrial area. I had a chance to meet Li Fei Bin, who is a 2-time Olympic champion and 3-time world champion. This was me meeting Optimus Prime. Some fancy lights in the trees that we get to walk up every night to go to dinner, so quite a beautiful place. And this is the road that leads from the training base up to the cafeteria where we sit and have our kai every day, and that was a little restaurant we went to earlier. So that's just a quick little intro. Please, if you have any questions, put them down the bottom in the comments and I will endeavour to answer them over the next 3 or 4 days. I will get my little 360 camera out of my luggage and show you a little bit more through the training base, and then whenever we head out and do unique kind of activities, I'll film a bit of that and get it uploaded for you to see the amazing sights here in China. I hope everyone's doing well. Enjoy your first few days off school, and I'll spot you in the next video. Okay, that's it.